Describe the conditions of Arabia before the advent of Islam. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce the topic that is related to the conditions of Arabia before the advent of Islam. यानी इस्लाम की आमद से पहले अरेबियन सोसाइटी कैसे थी, यानी अरेबियन सोसाइटी का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा था, उनके नॉर्म्स क्या थे, उनके रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स क्या थे। ये हमारा मौजू ऑफ डिस्कशन है आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। डियर स्टूडेंट, द अरेबियन सोसाइटी वाज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय थ्री थिंग्स, यानी कि तीन चीज़ों पे जो है डिफाइन किया जा सकता है अरेबियन सोसाइटी को बिफोर द एडवेंट ऑफ इस्लाम। नंबर वन, ट्राइबलिज्म, नंबर सेकंड, पॉलिथिस्टिक बिलीफ्स, एंड नंबर थर्ड, लैक ऑफ सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी। यानी ये तीन चीज़ों में उसको डिफाइन किया जा सकता है। सो नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट सम ऑफ द सेलिएंट फीचर ऑफ द देन अरेबियन सोसाइटी, particularly before the advent of Islam. Dear student, Arabian society was consisted of tribes, and every tribe had its own beliefs, had its own culture, had its own rulers. यानी कि जो नुमाया पहलू था उस सोसाइटी का ये था कि वो एक ट्राइबल सोसाइटी थी, हर सोसाइटी का जो है एक अपना हेड होता था। Moreover, the Arabian society was also polytheistic society, which means they believe in the worship of multiple gods and goddesses. Every tribe had its own gods and goddesses. Even if we look at Islamic history, we often get the opportunity to read that the Khana Kaaba was housed by numerous idols, numerous deities, numerous gods and goddesses at that time. So Arabian society was polytheistic, which means they believe in multiple gods and goddesses. If we talk about their economic activity, their economy was totally based on you can say pastoralism, which means they used to herd living stock such as camels, sheep, and many other things. Moreover, if we talk about the structure of the society was divided into two classes. One class belonged to the ट्राइबल क्लास, यानी पहला जो टॉप लेवल की क्लास थी वो ट्राइबल नोबिलिटी थी, यानी जो ट्राइबल जो हेड्स थे, जो चीफ होते थे, वो उनका ताल्लुक अपर क्लास से था। बल्कि रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु वर नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द ट्राइबल नोबिलिटी वर कंसीडर्ड एज द सेकंड क्लास, यानी कि उसमें फ्री मैन आ जाते हैं, उसमें स्लेव्स आ जाते हैं, उसमें लेबर क्लास आ जाती है, उसमें ट्रेड्समैन आ जाते हैं। तो दीज वर the people who were not the part of the tribal society. So in simple terms we can say it was basically divided into two classes. So now at the last point, the status of women, as we have heard already from the very early ages, that the women were not treated equally, they were mistreated. Even we find examples that the normally Arab people burn their women alive due to certain reasons. So this is how the women were being treated at that time. So dear students, these were the salient aspects of the Arabian society before the advent of Islam. With this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.